Hey friends, look at our puzzle shapes. Will you help paint them? Let's find the first one to paint. Look, it's number 1. Which animal do you think this is? A turtle, did you guess right? Let's get painting. Green, so grab your paintbrush and dip it in. We'll use green to paint in Turtle's body and legs. Here we go. Next, we'll paint Turtle's shell. Brown for the bottom and between the pattern. Guess which color we'll use for the pattern? Yellow, that's right. Turtles all have different colors and shapes on their shells. Let's make his toes yellow too. Turtles' shells are heavy. That's why they walk slowly. This one's speedy though. So guys, here's our turtle friend. Let's find our next animal. What number is this one? Number 2, good job. Let's flip it over to see the animal. A lion, the king of the jungle. Yay! Which color do we need? Yellow. We'll use this color to paint lion's legs and body. Let's paint part of his face orange. We only need a little paint for this part. Color his eyebrows and inside his ears with orange too. Brown's a great color for the long fur around his head. This hair is called a mane. Lastly, we'll give him a pretty pink nose. Let's watch some lions in the wild. Wow, look at those teeth. Lions have 30 teeth and 4 large pointed teeth. Baby lions are called cubs and they love playing with other cubs. Here's our lion, so now tell me which number animal is next? This one, okay. Number 3, hooray! What animal could this be? A woolly sheep. Let's paint it black, because not all sheep are white. Some are black too. Some baby lambs are born black, but as they grow, their fleece turns gray. Let's see some sheep. Sheep like to live in groups and don't like to be alone. Baby lambs like to stay close to their mummy. Male sheep are called rams and they have curly horns. Baba, black sheep's here. So what number do we need next? Okay, what number is it? Number 4, well done. Cow is the animal we're gonna paint now. I know, let's paint it a different color. Let's use purple. Cows can be different shapes, sizes, and colors. Did you know that cows love to be stroked by people and licked by other cows? Let's use yellow to paint our cow's bell hanging around its neck. Farmers put bells on cows so that they don't lose them. Sometimes cows will wander away to eat nice fresh grass. Pink is a cool color for cow's udders. This is where milk comes from. Cow's milk is cool to drink because it helps to make us grow big and strong. For a cow to have milk, she has to have a baby calf first. Cows love to eat and play. They're happy when they live with other cows called a herd. Here's our cow with its new animal herd. Let's pick the next one. This one? Which number is it? Number 5, way to go! It's an owl, wow! Brown is a great color for owls, then they can hide in trees. Owls have soft, fluffy feathers that help them to fly super silent. They have to be quiet so that when they hunt, animals don't hear them. We'll use yellow for their sharp claws that are called talons. Yellow for the beak and eyes. Let's watch some owls. Owls have big eyes to help them see in the dark. They hunt insects, small animals, and birds. Owls have awesome hearing. They can hear noises a long way away. Here's Owl. Now let's choose another animal to paint. Tell me, what number is this one? 6, that's right. It's a cute cat. Let's paint it bright. Orange is a cute kitten color. Cats are popular pets that live in our homes, even though they're part of the lion family. White. Where should we use white? Yes, let's paint it on our cat's chest. And a few tiger stripes, too. What about cat's nose? Pink, the same as lions. Once we've done, we'll watch our video all about cats. Cats jump really high and love to play, but they spend a lot of their time sleeping and cleaning themselves. Catnap time for our kitten whilst we choose our next animal. We've found our number 7, but what animal do you think it is? It's an elephant, the largest animal on land. Let's grab our paint. Blue is a good color for the big body of our elephant. There's a lot of painting for this big boy, isn't there? Elephant is ready to show us his video. Elephants love water. They like to play, drink, and swim in rivers. They live in families of different mums with their babies. Mum's in charge in the elephant world. Elephant's gonna join the rest. We've only one more animal to make. Aha, here it is. It's number 8. What animal is this? A giraffe! Good job! For this tallest animal, we'll use yellow. Giraffes have long necks so that they can reach leaves in tall trees. Brown paint for giraffes' patches and spots. Giraffes all have different spots, similar to how we all have different fingerprints. Giraffes can run really fast, especially if they see a bigger animal nearby. Their tongues are almost black, and they use them to wrap around leaves to munch on. Our animals are painted. Let's say hello and their names together. Hello, lion. Hello, turtle. Hello, sheep. Hello, cat. Hello, owl. Hello, elephant. Hello, giraffe. Hello, cow. Thanks, friends, for painting and playing today. See you soon. Bye.